Hey there, how it's going, everybody? So I have found a wonderful website. Um, just go to this link. You can see this that there are different types of algorithms are there, and you can actually see that there are a lot kind of animations for each and every algorithms like linear search. So if I increase the list size, suppose make it 20 and press on reset, and suppose I want to find the value of suppose 99. So this is how actually done. So very easy actually. So basically it shows you the code also as well as the process. So suppose I want to search for using bubble sort, suppose insertion sort. So as you know that to find insertion sort, you have to first assume the first element as sorted and the rest of the elements as unsorted, and the first element after the sorted array subsection that is considered as a key. So if I just press next, see, it's at the zero position and just shifts. This is how it goes. And it's very important and website, just save it in your bookmark. I said I've already done it. Very easy. Just try to go through all this like algorithms like stack, suppose if I enter 70, suppose if I enter 95 push and like this, then just click on peek the last element and pop, 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 and stack is empty. And if you do it, it's already empty. And this is how it works. Like let's go to this linked list. So as you can see that head and tail is empty. So suppose value is 50 and index number one. So nothing is that. So let's press enter. That's 50. If I press and now 65, so insert, and we can actually get this entire logic. So very good website. You just see it once. Okay. Thank you.